Your kitchen quietly takes time and money every day, and most people never notice it happening. Today, that changes. These Amazon kitchen gadgets are smart upgrades designed to speed things up, reduce waste, and bring more control to your daily routine. If you enjoy discovering tools that actually make life easier, subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment telling us which kitchen task you want to simplify next. All the product links are waiting for you in the description so you can explore what truly belongs in your kitchen this month. Dinner changes when everyone cooks at the same pace and nothing feels rushed. This tabletop raclette grill turns the table into the center of the experience, where meats, vegetables, and seafood grill above, while cheese melts gently underneath for each person. No waiting turns, no cold plates, just food moving naturally as conversations flow. The reversible surface adds freedom, switching between classic grilling and smooth breakfast moments without pulling out extra appliances. Heat stays even, cleanup stays simple, and gatherings feel relaxed yet elevated. It is the kind of upgrade that brings people together and feels surprisingly refined, especially when it arrives at $70.36 as a small investment with lasting impact. Peeling should feel smooth and controlled, not rushed or wasteful. In everyday cooking, small frictions add up, especially when prep feels harder than it should. This premium swivel peeler is built to glide naturally over fruits and vegetables, removing skins cleanly while protecting what matters underneath. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades follow the surface with precision, so nothing digs in and nothing gets stuck. Each motion feels light, steady, and surprisingly satisfying. The soft grip handle rests comfortably in the hand, making long prep sessions feel calm and manageable for both right and left-handed use. Even delicate produce stays intact, helping reduce waste while saving time at the cutting board. Cleanup stays simple, storage stays easy, and the tool becomes one of those quiet essentials you reach for without thinking. It feels like a thoughtful upgrade that improves daily routines, especially when it comes in at $9.99 as a small change with real everyday payoff. Tea feels different when every step slows you down in the right way. The water heats to the exact temperature, the leaves open gently, and the moment becomes intentional instead of rushed. This luxury tea set brings precision and ceremony together, combining an automatic glass kettle with a built-in infuser and a refined ceramic serving set. Each preset is designed to respect the character of different teas, removing guesswork and letting flavor take the lead. The teapot pours smoothly. The cups feel balanced in the hand, and the wooden tray ties everything into a calm, elegant ritual. Even after pouring, warmth stays exactly where you want it, inviting you back for another cup without urgency. It feels like a quiet upgrade to daily life, and at $149.99, it becomes a refined indulgence that turns tea into a lasting experience. Vegetable prep feels completely different when every cut lands exactly where you expect it. No slipping, no crushing, no second passes. This Nakiri-style kitchen knife is designed to bring control back to the cutting board, turning chopping into a smooth, confident motion. The wide, straight blade glides cleanly through onions, peppers, and herbs, creating uniform pieces that look as good as they cook. Balance plays a quiet role here, helping your hands stay steady while reducing fatigue during longer prep sessions. The ergonomic handle sits naturally in the grip, making each movement feel deliberate and precise. Cleanup stays simple, the blade keeps its edge, and the knife quickly earns a permanent spot in your routine. It feels like a professional upgrade that respects everyday cooking, and when that level of performance arrives at $25.99, it becomes one of those small decisions that delivers real value every single meal. Grilling does not have to wait for weekends or perfect weather. The right pan turns everyday cooking into something faster, cleaner, and more satisfying. This non-stick grill pan brings that feeling to your stovetop, giving you generous space to sear meats, vegetables, or breakfast favorites without crowding. Heat spreads evenly, so food cooks with confidence, and those crisp grill marks appear naturally while excess fat settles away. The surface releases food smoothly, keeping oils low and cleanup almost effortless. A cool touch handle keeps everything comfortable, and the pour spouts let you drain liquids without mess or hesitation. It works across different cooktops, moving easily between indoor meals and casual outdoor setups. The result feels controlled, efficient, and visually rewarding on the plate. When that kind of versatility shows up at $19.99, it becomes a smart kitchen upgrade that earns its place meal after meal. Meal prep feels lighter when food stays organized and secure. These glass containers turn planning into a routine, letting you cook once and enjoy later without leaks or odors. Each lid seals tight, keeping meals fresh while stacking neatly to free space in your fridge and cabinets. The glass feels solid and clean, moving easily between freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher as your day changes. Portions stay clear, flavors stay intact, and lunches feel intentional. At $35.99, this system delivers peace of mind. Some kitchen tasks slow everything down the moment resistance appears. Cutting through poultry, trimming bones, or breaking down seafood should feel controlled, not exhausting. These heavy-duty poultry shears bring confidence back to prep, turning tough cuts into smooth, deliberate motions. The spring-loaded action supports your hand, helping each cut land cleanly without forcing pressure. Grip stays steady, fatigue stays low, and precision feels natural even during longer sessions. Beyond poultry, they handle herbs, vegetables, and seafood details with the same calm efficiency, becoming a tool you reach for more than expected. Cleanup stays simple, durability stays reliable, and the experience feels purposeful instead of messy. It is the kind of upgrade that quietly improves every prep session, and at $16.89, it delivers serious control and strength in a compact, everyday essential. Dough changes everything when the process stops demanding your attention. Mixing, resting, and timing no longer interrupt your day or your rhythm. This electric dough maker is designed to recreate the feel of handmade dough while quietly handling the work for you. Programs guide each stage with precision, pausing and turning naturally to build texture while fermentation happens at the right pace. Large batches come together smoothly, whether the plan is bread, pizza, buns, or dumplings. And the kitchen stays calm instead of crowded. The vertical design keeps counters clear, noise stays low, and ingredients can be added mid-process without stopping the flow. Cleanup feels simple, storage feels intentional, and baking feels accessible again, even on busy days. It becomes a reliable partner that gives you control without constant effort. And at $119, it feels like a meaningful upgrade that brings consistency and confidence back into every homemade bake. Juicing feels easier when prep stops slowing you down. Whole fruits and vegetables drop straight in. No chopping, no mess building up. This cold-pressed juicer works slowly and quietly, protecting flavor while pulling more juice out of every ingredient. The process feels clean and controlled, with smooth flow and no clogging interruptions. Assembly stays simple, cleanup stays fast, and the kitchen stays calm even on busy mornings. It is the kind of appliance that makes healthy habits feel realistic. And at $119.99, it delivers daily freshness with efficiency. Cast iron tells a story, but only when it is cared for the right way. Over time, buildup, rust, and harsh cleaners can quietly ruin what makes it special. This cast iron cleaning kit restores that balance, helping cookware feel protected, smooth, and ready to perform again. The soap lifts residue without stripping character, while the coconut oil seasons deeply, creating a surface that improves with every use. Brushes and applicator pads work together to clean thoroughly without damaging the metal, keeping texture consistent and reliable. Nothing goes rancid, nothing feels harsh, and maintenance becomes a calm ritual instead of a chore. Skillets, grills, and Dutch ovens stay strong, dark, and beautifully conditioned. It feels like giving your cookware a second life. And at $45.45, it delivers lasting care that preserves performance and pride every time you cook. Kitchen space feels different when cookware adapts to you. This 17-piece set uses detachable handles to stack neatly, freeing cabinets and simplifying cleanup. Pans move smoothly across stoves, ovens, and straight to the table while heat stays even and surfaces stay clean. Cooking feels flexible, storage feels intentional, and daily routines feel lighter. All of that comes together at $49.99 as a compact upgrade with real impact. Control matters most when heat is high and timing is tight. These stainless steel kitchen tongs are designed to feel steady in your hand, giving you confidence with every flip, turn, or serve. The silicone tips grip food securely while protecting cookware surfaces, keeping movements smooth and precise. Two sizes adapt naturally to quick tasks or larger portions, whether you are cooking indoors or handling the grill. Locking storage keeps drawers calm and organized, and the balanced handle reduces strain during longer sessions. Nothing slips, nothing wobbles, and your hands stay comfortably protected. It is one of those tools that quietly improves everything you cook. And at $8.49, it feels like a small upgrade that delivers daily reliability and control. Oil changes the result of every meal, especially when you can control it with intention instead of guessing. This glass olive oil sprayer brings precision into everyday cooking, letting you switch smoothly between spraying and pouring without reaching for multiple tools. A fine, even mist coats pans, salads, or grills consistently, helping flavors develop while portions stay measured and intentional. The clear glass body keeps oil levels visible at a glance. The wide opening makes refilling clean and simple, and the ergonomic grip keeps hands free of residue. Cooking feels lighter, cleaner, and more deliberate, whether you are frying, roasting, or finishing a dish at the table. It encourages better habits without friction, supports balance over time, and quietly improves daily routines. At $8.99, it feels like a small choice that brings lasting control and calm into your kitchen. Mornings feel smoother when breakfast no longer needs your attention. This rapid egg cooker turns a simple cup of water into perfectly cooked eggs, letting you choose soft, medium, or hard results without watching a pot. Eggs come out easy to peel, clean, and consistent every time, saving water and saving patience. Beyond boiling, it opens space for poached eggs, omelets, and quick veggie sides that fit real routines. The process stays quiet, automatic, and reliable even on busy days. Cleanup feels effortless, storage stays compact, and results feel intentional. When that level of control arrives at $13.99, it becomes a small kitchen habit that quietly upgrades every morning. Busy days feel easier when nutrition moves at your pace. This personal smoothie blender brings real power into a compact routine, turning fruits, ice, and protein into smooth blends without slowing you down. One simple twist starts the process, letting everything flow fast and controlled. The single-serve cup travels straight from counter to bag, keeping mornings clean and focused. Texture stays smooth, flavor stays fresh, and cleanup stays quick enough to never postpone the habit. It supports workouts, workdays, and quick resets between plans without cluttering your space. When that kind of efficiency shows up at $37.99, it becomes a practical upgrade that fits daily life naturally. Serving drinks feels more intentional when the vessel elevates the moment. These square glass pitchers bring structure and elegance to everyday hydration, fitting neatly in the fridge while standing out on the table. The vertical stripe design catches light beautifully, turning water, tea, or coffee into something worth slowing down for. Borosilicate glass handles hot or cold without stress, keeping flavors pure and presentation clean. The stainless steel lid rotates smoothly, letting you strain fruit and leaves or pour freely depending on the moment. Capacity feels generous without being bulky, making gatherings feel calm and well-paced. Cleanup stays simple, storage feels efficient, and the experience feels refined without effort. With 2 pitchers ready to serve, this set becomes a quiet staple for daily rituals and hosting alike. And at $33.99, it delivers balance, beauty, and practicality in one thoughtful upgrade. Mashed potatoes feel completely different when texture finally matches expectation. Smooth, airy, and consistent without chasing lumps around the bowl. This large potato ricer transforms cooked vegetables into a light, refined mash with steady pressure and clean results. Interchangeable discs let you control the finish, whether you want silky potatoes, soft avocados, or delicate baby food. The deep basket handles family-sized portions with ease, while cushioned handles keep each press comfortable and controlled. Cleanup stays quick, storage stays simple, and the tool earns its place fast. It feels like a professional touch added to everyday meals, and at $24.99, it delivers precision and comfort that elevate familiar dishes. Meal prep feels lighter when power comes in a size that fits real kitchens. This compact food processor handles chopping, mixing, and pureeing in seconds, turning everyday ingredients into clean, consistent results without crowding the counter. 2 speed options let you move gently through fruits and vegetables or switch to stronger cuts for meat and nuts, keeping texture exactly where you want it. The 4-blade system works evenly from top to bottom, so nothing gets stuck and nothing needs a second pass. Separate bowls help keep flavors organized, moving smoothly between sauces, proteins and vegetables without overlap. Operation stays quiet, the base stays stable, and cleanup stays simple once the work is done. It feels efficient, controlled, and reliable for daily cooking, especially when routines are tight and time matters. Prep becomes predictable, portions stay clean, and results feel intentional instead of rushed. At $32.98, it becomes a smart upgrade that saves time every single week. Everyday food feels more intentional when it is stored the right way. These ceramic bowls bring balance to daily routines, whether you're prepping lunches, saving leftovers, or reheating soup without worry. The deep, straight design keeps liquids secure, while the ceramic surface preserves flavor without absorbing odors. Each bowl moves smoothly between fridge, microwave, oven, and table, removing friction from busy schedules. Sealed lids keep everything contained, stacks stay neat, and the look remains clean and modern. From cereal to pasta to comfort meals, everything feels more composed. At $29.99, this set adds structure and calm to how you store and enjoy food every day. Hot dishes deserve more than a rushed solution on the table. These wooden tree trivets turn protection into a small visual moment, unfolding naturally as you place a pot, bowl, or teapot down. Each piece feels crafted, smooth to the touch, and sturdy enough to handle everyday heat without drawing attention away from the meal. When not in use, they stack neatly on their stand, becoming part of the kitchen decor instead of clutter. The design feels thoughtful, functional, and quietly decorative, making it just as fitting for daily cooking as for hosting. At $27.90, this set delivers charm, protection, and intention in one elegant detail.